Thanks so much for joining me today, Nicola. I'm looking forward to having this chat with you. We might just start by having you introduce yourself.
Thank you, Belinda. It's wonderful to talk to you. My name's Nicola Steel. I'm the founder of JJP Talent Solutions, which is an IT recruitment business based in Brisbane.
Great. Thanks, Nicola. And when you joined the Next Level Accelerator program, what was the reason behind that? What were you looking to achieve?
Well, at the time I had about 18, 19 years IT recruitment experience. So I was a very experienced IT recruiter in both the UK and also in Queensland as well. However, what I wanted to do was really take it to the next level, to have more scalability. The business is basically myself, and only one person can do so much. So it was using my skills, but at a larger, more scalable level is what I wanted to achieve, and have that elusive work-life balance and also fun at the same time, and do something unique, something different, and really make my mark in the IT industry here in Brisbane and Queensland.
Brilliant. Thank you. And so what would you say have been the most, what's had the most impact for you? What have been the biggest impacts? Because obviously you have got a lot of experience and you had a very good business when you did join us, but what have you noticed?
So thinking about things differently, and having a much more unique approach. So when I first spoke to you, Belinda, we were talking about webinars, and webinars weren't really my thing as such. But I came up with the idea of doing videos and podcasts and doing something different, and it seemed to really resonate with the IT community here. And a lot of people have since commented on that. It's brought in new contacts and clients and everything. So it's been really great. And as I say, doing something different gives you a new lease of life, particularly when you've been doing something a really long time, and having that opportunity to look at something from a different perspective and have fun with it too.
Yeah, good. That's right. We can't have too much seriousness in our business. And it's funny what you're saying there, because a lot of people do say, just having something different to do that, is taking me down a different path. It's showing me something that I just, a way that I just didn't think was possible before. The other thing that we've got, and it's growing obviously all the time, is the community here. And I personally love that whole mastermind effect, but I'd love to hear from your side, and you're a great contributor to the community, how you found that aspect of the program.
So I think this is probably one of the most valuable pieces of the program, is getting those different insights, and it's all real time as well. So we're all, for example, we've got people from Australia, the UK, the US, Canada, Mexico, and we're all experiencing COVID at different times, and in different ways. And hearing different people's experiences about how that's impacted their recruitment businesses has been really, really interesting, and what they've done to overcome that or pivot, etc. So it's been really, really interesting. And also quite a few of the people on the program are also from IT and specifically software, and hearing their ideas and what they've been doing. And even though we're in the other side of the world, is that our clients are experiencing similar problems, and it gives me loads of new ideas, and that's what really resonates with me.
Yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? We do have a lot of IT, but then we've got legal, we've got construction, we've got what else have we got? We've got actuarial recruiters.
Yes, absolutely. Finance,
biotech. Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's interesting is even though the industries are very different, the recruiters running smaller agencies and search firms, the issues are very, very similar across the board. They just have a bit of a different flavor to them.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, obviously learning, I'm in a kind of tech bubble, so to speak. So I always come back to that, but it's also very interesting talking to people from different industries. And as well, I've made friends. I've got friends now in California, in Canada, in Sydney, Perth, all over the place. So it's been a really great community now and in the past and in the future as well. So thank you very much for those introductions there.
Yeah, and that's actually a nice spin-off, if you like, from the program. I know we just had our Q&A before Nicola and I recorded this, and there's some conversations going, oh, I'll talk to you offline and I'll give you that piece of software, or there was some other tech that came up in the program today, and people are making those connections. There's been jobs shared, all sorts of things. So that's really exciting for me, because it means that the program's kind of having that ripple effect and helping people at a broader level as well. So, Nicola, what would you say to people who are perhaps looking at this and, thinking about getting some support, but trying to, make the right decisions for their business and what that looks like for them? What would you say to them if they're thinking about joining us in the Recruitment Garage in this program?
Now is the perfect time, I think, to do it. One of the podcasts I've been doing, my season at the moment, is about reinvention, and it is very much a perfect time for reinventing your business and looking at things differently. And I think as well, your clients and your candidates will really embrace that without judgment. When it's busier, people don't have so much time to appreciate when you're doing things differently. But now I would say is a really good time to look at your strategy, look at your business, and think about how you can do things differently. And this program is great from that perspective. And you're not told what to do, you're kind of guided there. And it's very much a holistic journey that you're looking at from now and for the future.
Brilliant. Thanks so much, Nicola. I know you're busy and you've got a lunch date to go to, so I'll let you go off to that. And thanks a million. And that's some really lovely insights that you've shared there, and hopefully that gives people watching this more of an idea about what we're about and what more specifically we can offer them as a business and helping them get to that next level.
That's perfect. Well, thank you very much. I think I was one of the starter people back in 2018. So yes, it's been a real journey together and one that I'm wishing to continue. So thank you very much, and looking forward to meeting new people and sharing ideas and insights and hopefully making new friends as well.
Yeah,
thank you.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Nicola.
Thank you.